with the theme of public servants, we're hitting a program called Good Neighbor Next Door. And what it does is it takes a HUD home, which is a foreclosure. It gives full-time teacher, law enforcement officer, firefighter, or EMT the potential to receive a 50% off of the list price on a HUD foreclosed property. And I wanted to give you some of the program parameters to help you understand how it works. So not only do you potentially, Tommy, get in for half off, but the minimum down payment requirement for this particular HUD foreclosure program is $100. Here are a couple of other important details that you need to know about. In general, the minimum credit score is, we usually do this is an FHA loan, which is a government insured loan program, typically requires 3.5%, but only $100 down for this program. The minimum credit score is about a 580. That is our minimum credit score at Movement Mortgage. So now, in order to maintain that benefit of that 50% reduction, you will have to maintain that residence for 3 consecutive years as your primary residence. So technically, the 50% of that, that sales price is forgiven, but it actually is recorded as a mortgage loan on the title.
That's right.
So even though they're giving you half off, you actually have to live there for 3 years as your primary residence. And then at that point, the other half that they are, quote, forgiving you is released and you don't have to pay it back. However, if you were kind of cheating the system and you only lived in the home for 1 year and then you went and rented it and they found out about it, then the other half that they had reduced the house would actually have to be paid back, and it's on as a lien on the title. But there is no mortgage payment, there's no interest rate. It's just a silent lien for $50,000. So property details, the house has to be on the HUD foreclosure website. Tommy will make sure that we find you a home in that category. The max loan limit's about $271. And we can also do what we call a renovation loan. So if you're getting it at a nice reduced price, but maybe the house needs some work, we can help you with a renovation mortgage and give you some additional dollars, maybe another $20,000 to help repair the house. While you're getting it at a discount, let's roll in some additional dollars to help you fix the home at the same time. And I've done most of the Good Neighbor Next Door buyers that I've done, we've actually done the renovation component at the same time because they were getting it at such a reduced price. And then typically the house would appraise for even more. So they walked into still a large amount of equity when it was all done. So those are some of the key highlights there. I'm trying to think if there's anything else major that we would need to tell you about. But we are your experts. Tommy Watson here with Remax Integrity. And my name is Chris Reshetar, mortgage consultant with Movement Mortgage.